Digital vehicle inspections. They provide trust and transparency in the vehicle service repair process. Well, what about the sales process? We're going to show you in this video how AutoTextMe and Omnique users can leverage the digital inspection performed in AutoTextMe and use this as a component in the sales process of a vehicle. The moment a digital inspection is completed by a technician, your advisors or staff will be notified of this fact. You can click on this then and review the inspection results. In this particular case, I've already reviewed some of the results, and we're going to go ahead and look at what we can do with them next. Technicians should be skilled in taking pictures and documenting any part of this process. You can filter this out and view things here, and we want to show the vehicle in its true state of health. This is what we need to communicate to the client. Once we're satisfied in the notes and images that are on the DVI, we're ready to push this information right into Omnique so that we can begin estimating and doing some of the repairs that we need to do to recondition this car. We click the Push DVI button, and then we'll go right over to Omnique and we'll see the results immediately. We'll refresh this page that the ticket's on, and you see all of my recommendations have transferred, and I can begin building my estimates. Furthermore, for stores that are looking to put these inspection results perhaps with an online ad or as a part of your website, this link is able to be lifted and embedded in any component you need to. Since this link is static, you'll have an easy time making sure that it's clickable and viewable by anybody that's going over that particular vehicle or may be interested.